Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
If the fetal heartbeat is not detected by 8 weeks, it's important to consult your healthcare provider promptly. Possible reasons include inaccurate dating of the pregnancy or potential complications. Further evaluation through follow-up ultrasound or hormone testing will provide more information. Timely medical advice ensures appropriate care and peace of mind.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.